Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre is the brand's first all-electric car, combining unmatched luxury with advanced technology. It sets a new benchmark for elegance, sustainability, and performance. Exterior: timeless beauty, sleek design, smooth, flowing lines enhance style and efficiency. Iconic grille: illuminated Pantheon grille honors Rolls-Royce's heritage. Spirit of ecstasy: redesigned for better aerodynamics. Custom colors: unique shades like Aurora green and lunar silver. Wheels: 23-inch bespoke alloy wheels with a floating hubcap. Performance: quiet power. Electric motors: over 600 horsepower and 660 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Range: about 350 miles on one charge. Ride comfort: planar suspension system ensures a smooth, quiet ride. Charging: ultra-fast charging reaches 80% in under 30 minutes. Interior: luxury redefined. Premium materials: finest leather, wood, and custom embroidery. Celestial features: starlight doors and ceiling with fiber optic lighting. Customizable design: fully tailored interiors to suit personal preferences. High-tech features: 16-inch OLED touchscreen with advanced infotainment. Augmented reality heads-up display. Voice-activated concierge services. Seating: heated, ventilated, and massaging seats with memory settings. Sustainability: eco-friendly materials, vegan leather, and responsibly sourced wood. Energy efficiency: regenerative braking and optimized aerodynamics. Silent cabin: superior insulation for a peaceful ride. Exclusive features: Rolls-Royce Whispers, an app offering exclusive services and vehicle controls. The Gallery: custom dashboard panel for artwork or personalized materials. Illuminated fascia: a dashboard with 5,000 tiny stars. Why choose the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre? Electric luxury, sustainable, yet still the epitome of opulence. Tailored design: every detail is made to match your taste. Timeless elegance: combines classic style with modern innovation. Pricing and availability: base price starts at $450,000. Customization: endless options for personalization. Release date: deliveries start in late 2025. Conclusion: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than just a luxury car, it's a masterpiece. With its seamless mix of cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and timeless elegance, the Spectre sets a new standard for electric vehicles and redefines the future of luxury. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.